Hi everyone. Today we're going to show you how to use your Watch TV Everywhere account to watch TV on the go with an internet-connected device. Let's get started. First, visit WTVE.net or visit the iVideo page at gopioneer.com and select the Get Started button in the Watch TV Everywhere section. Select Log In. Here you will enter the email address and password used during the Watch TV Everywhere registration process. Once logged in, you will select a network you want to watch. Keep in mind that the network you select may require you to log in once again on their site. If so, choose the option of using your TV provider, which will be Pioneer iVideo, and then use your Watch TV Everywhere email and password to log in. Once you are done using the platform, select Log Out.
If you need more help or have any questions, visit us at gopioneer.com/support.